dear friend, this is Rakesh here. You are welcome to Resolve for You. There is a very important update about DaVinci Resolve Beta 6 update. This update has just today been released. It's very important. If you are using the DaVinci Resolve Beta, you see I am in this DaVinci Resolve edit page here. So just I highlight you. See, come here. Come here. If you want to update this Beta 6, just come here. You see in the corner here DaVinci Resolve. Here just click DaVinci Resolve. Here you see here check for updates. Just click here. You see we have no update here. Update is DaVinci Resolve 19 beta 6. This is update. Here you can see I have highlighted. If you want to update this beta version, just download here. Just click here, download. I am in front of you just downloading all the process. In beta 6 version there are lots of updates, so I wanted to update you about this. I just click here, you see download. You see now I have come here. You see I have just come here. You see here update has started here. You can see here. So it has redirect. If once you click there, it will redirect you to this DaVinci Resolve 19.6 beta version. You see now I am waiting for update. This update is about around 2.3 GB, so it will take some time, dear friends. So wait please. After updates we will restart the DaVinci Resolve 19 and we will see all the updates. After this update your computer will be very smooth. This is actually sixth update. Every time this update, after updating, the function of DaVinci Resolve 19 will be smooth, very smooth. For 2-3 days our computer was lagging, our DaVinci Resolve was lagging because I edit almost all of my video in DaVinci Resolve 19 here. You know we have no very long course about the tutorial. We have very long tutorial about DaVinci Resolve nowadays. If you want to join, just subscribe the channels, and I will add some of tutorial to the end screen, and you can see there, and you can follow for all of updates and the tutorial about DaVinci Resolve 19 and 18. Come here, we check here how is the status here. You see now here 715 GB. You see here it's showing the update, how much it has updated. See here it's updating now. So we will wait for some moments. It will fast update because 2.3 GB is too much. So I am today updating live to show you how to update the this beta version. You see here DaVinci Resolve 19.0 B6 Windows zip. It's uploading. After it is downloading, after the completion of download, we will just extract the file and we will run. I am downloading this in Microsoft Edge browser. You can, if you have a login in Chrome browser, it will download in the Chrome browser. So it will take some time because this download is a very heavy file. 2.3 GB is almost you see 2.3 GB is almost a very heavy file. You see almost now 4.6 MB per second is the speed. 1.4 GB of 2.3 GB this file has already been downloaded. 3 minutes have left, so we will very soon start computer. We will very soon extract the file. No, just you see 2 minutes are left now remaining, so very soon we will start. Now you see 1.8 GB of 2.3 GB have already been downloaded. 2 minutes they are showing, so it depends upon the speed of your internet. So I think it will very soon completed, will be completed, and we will start the program. You see our file, it will be very soon will be completed here. Just you see 2.1 GB of 2.3 GB has already been completed. Just we will waiting 33 seconds left. You see time is showing. See now 1 second left. So our file is already, you see our file is ready here. So we will just click here. You see here, you just click here. No, I have just come here to our downloaded file. I will just you can run a, you can double click here, or if you can extract actually, but I will double click here. You see extracting. Now our file is extracting. If you once double click here, just it will extract. Otherwise you can, if you open the file, you can there extract. You see now our this has come DaVinci Resolve. Do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? You just click show more. Yes, you have to click yes, click, then it will go. You see installation process. So our installation process will start here. You see here, just our install. You have to click here to install. I just click here install now. Now you see it's just installing. You see installing black magic raw player. Wait, this operation take some time, so we will wait, friend. It will take some time. After downloading this updates, your DaVinci Resolve program will work properly, because in beta version always there are lots of changes, you know. You see, I just minimize here computer. Now our you see, welcome to here, welcome to the DaVinci Resolve setup. The setup wizard will install the DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Click next to continue, or cancel to exit the setup. I will click, because I want to install. Dear friend, I will actually DaVinci Resolve. You have to, you see here, you come here, you can read this everything. So after you can read the license here, you see. You once by one, you can read the license. That I don't read the license actually. I accept this term condition. I will click here. Now our it will start. Next, I will click next. I will click next here. Next, install. Now you see our installation process started. It will take some time. You see, now it's installing the. Close the program and restart them. Okay, we will don't close the program, or reboot will be required. So close the program and attempt to restart them. We will restart here. We will just click here. Now it's installing in my computer, on my computer here. It's very necessary to update. Otherwise, if you haven't downloaded DaVinci Resolve 9 beta version, I will put the link in our description box, and you can even download 18. This is a stable version. Beta version is not stable, but there are lots of new features you can learn. That's why I am using the beta version 19, because it will be not. You see, already our computer has finished, completed the setup wizard. I will click yes, finished. Click finish to exit and setup. Hello dear friend, we have updated DaVinci Resolve. Now we have restarted our computer. So here you see our DaVinci Resolve is here. We will double click here. You see now our DaVinci Resolve 19 is opening after the update 6. Here I have the last project here. I will just click here. Now you see, now we have already beta version has been updated. And now I click here to just come here. Just come here, check here. Now you can check here, just DaVinci Resolve here in the corner. Come here and you will check here about DaVinci Resolve keyboard customization. Here you will come here, check for update. Now you can check is your DaVinci Resolve updated. You see your software is updated. You see now DaVinci Resolve software, your software is updated. So our software is updated. In this way you can update your software, and now after the update your software will work very properly, because this is the beta version. So there are lots of up and downs are happenings, and there are lots of changes in beta version. This is a public beta version. After this successful trial of beta version, there will be a stable DaVinci Resolve 19 like 18, but 18 and 19 are almost same. There are some of new features here. If you come here you see our color. Just I click here, okay. Now I come here, you see now our color tab. Here there is a very important update they have given. Here you see slice. This is slice. Here color slice. Here there are lots of new updates about which we will learn in our next class. If you want to make a good color grading in the DaVinci Resolve is the premier here. It's the boss of all video editing software in color grading. It's very professional. So after this is actually free. In free version they have provided us so beautiful updates using this color red. You see skin, yellow, green. There are lots of features you can see here. You can make a very beautiful clips, make a color grading very good. You see here we have click, so we can make, for example, I can increase the density. You see I am increasing density. I can increase the depth little bit. You can make saturation. I will increase not too much, and in this way you can. There are lots of after we will learn in the next class. If you are first to the channel, please subscribe my channels, and we have a lots of now we have a tutorial DaVinci Resolve you can join the tutorials, and we will learn a lot about DaVinci Resolve 18 and 19. If you want to be a professional video editor, so this tutorial will help you a lot. This is especially free tutorial designed for you from beginner to advanced and intermediate to advanced levels. Dear friends, this was our update about to join the class for DaVinci Resolve for tutorial. Now we come here, you see no here in the edit page. So dear friend, this was especially for the update, how to update the DaVinci Resolve 18 and 19. If you have not updated, I will just put the link in. You can download DaVinci Resolve 18 and 19. So we will be waiting you in the class. Please subscribe the channel. Take care, dear friends. We meet you in the next class.